Okay, now let's move on to the next subtopic, which is called man. Man
Man.
stands for Metropolitan Area Network. All right.
Okay.
Now, man means like two or more computers or communicating device if they are in a same city but geographically connected with each other. If they are connected with each other and they are said to be connected on man. Let's say you are from Australia, right?
Yep.
And in Australia, you are staying in which city?
Perth.
Perth, right? See here. So let's say in Australia, you have two locations. Okay, you have two locations here. In Australia, you are sitting in a Perth, right?
Yeah.
P-E-R-T. Okay,
Perth.
P-E-R-T-H. Perth, right?
Yep.
Now, Perth is a city, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now in Perth, please name the two places. In your city, please name the two places.
Just put it A and B or something like that.
Okay, let's say this is an A place and this is
Yeah.
a B place, right? B. So, what is the man definition is? Man says that two or more computers or communicating device which is geographically separated from each other but in a same metropolitan city, if connected with each other, are said to be connected on man. All right?
Okay. So one question, like in land, it cannot be separated from geographically. Like
Yes.
it can be
In land we cannot geographically separate it. Land definition is same room, same building, same office,
same
same
office.
floor.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this
In
thing
man,
is like two buildings connecting through a virtual private network, like
yes,
something like that.
yes. So
But it
if you
should be
want
in
to
the
connect
same city,
if
isn't it?
yeah if you want to connect two buildings which is nearby like from like 1 kilometer distance only, then practically it is land, but theoretically it is man.
Okay.
All right. Practically it is LAN because they are using the same network, right?
Same.
But if you go theory wise, then theory says that LAN must be in a same building. If buildings are separated, then theoretically it is man. Practically it is LAN. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, so this A and B are geographically separated, but in a same city. In a same city, if still connected with each other with the help of some network, so that network is called as man. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And the man device are router. Without router, you cannot communicate in WAN or man because because if you have a two branch offices which is
Mhm.
at different location, so that branch office must be in a different network also. Let's say a branch office is in 192 network. Here the 192 network is running. And at B location 172 network is running. So
Yeah.
now if you want to communicate in two different network, then you have to use a device called router because router is a device which communicate between networks and switch communicate within same network. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So it means router is a man device. Router is a device which is used in your man or WAN. Because I am from India and you are from Australia, we are from different countries. So if you connect different countries or different cities, that comes under WAN.
When? Yeah.
Okay. So the LAN means same office, same room, same building. MAN means two offices and it is geographically separated but in a same city. It must be in a same city, right? So if it is in a same city but at a different location and if it's still connected with each other on some network, so that network is called as man. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have completed the LAN and we have completed the man. And one more thing about the man is if we have two branch offices, so that branch offices must be in a different network. And if you want to communicate in different network, so we have to use a device called router because router communicates between networks. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So router communicates between networks. Now when I said you that when stands for wide area network, two or more computers or communicating device which is geographically separated from each other but in a different metropolitan city or in a different country, if connected with each other, are said to be connected on WAN. And WAN device are router, right?
Yeah.
All right. So it means like let's say I am staying in India and you are in Australia. So if we both are connected with each other, so we are connected on WAN. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have completed the LAN, MAN, and WAN. All right.
All good, mate.
Okay. So can I move up? Can I change the slide?
Yeah.
All right. You just like sit at a place where you don't make anything. Like some sound is coming. Like you are picking
Sound is
something
fine,
on
mate.
your.
I can
Yes. Okay.
I can hear you
All
clearly.
right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we are going to understand the Ethernet wires, the wires which is using in Ethernet. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, first of all, what is Ethernet? Ethernet is a technology. Ethernet is a technology. All right.
Yeah.
There, there are two types of technology. Let me explain you this thing. See here. There are two types of technology: Ethernet technology and serial technology. Okay.
I thought Ethernet was a serial technology.
Yeah. Now serial technology is no more. Earlier, internet was also working on serial, but right now, serial technology is no more. No one is using serial technology. Everyone is using Ethernet technology. And
Okay.
internet is also working on Ethernet technology because
Hmm.
on internet we are using fiber optic cable and fiber optic cable comes under Ethernet technology.
Okay.
Got it? So internet is not working on serial technology. Earlier it is possible to use serial technology. Nowadays, no one is using serial technology. So why I am teaching you this? Because in your syllabus we have a serial technology also, little bit. Okay,
All right.
all right. So there are two types of technology: Ethernet technology and serial technology. Now, what is the difference between this? See, earlier what happened? Earlier Ethernet technology was not let's say from starting, from where the communication was started in earlier days like in 70s or in 60s or 80s. Okay, so earlier at that time what happened? Ethernet technology was fast, but it is not giving the long coverage. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Ethernet technology was fast, but it is not giving the long coverage. So if we want to communicate in same room, same office, same building. So at that time we are using Ethernet technology in LAN. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
when it comes to long coverage means let's say different cities. We have two offices in different cities, and we have different offices in same cities. Like distance is long. Okay, where the
Mm-hmm.
coverage is long. So when there is a long coverage, at that time we are using serial technology, because serial technology was slow, but it gives us a long coverage. Okay.
ADSL is a serial technology.
Yeah,
ADSL.
ADSL comes under serial technology. Yes, ADSL, and what you call, we have a serial link called DTE, DCE, like this. And if you are talking about ADSL router, which we are using in our home, so that comes under Ethernet technology, because in ADSL we are using fiber, like a thin fiber we are using.
Mhm.
All right. So, but what happened as the day passes, so Ethernet technology become advanced. Like earlier, it was only Ethernet, which which gives us only 10 Mbps of speed. Then it comes to fast Ethernet, which gives us 100 Mbps of speed. Then gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabit Ethernet, 40 gigabit Ethernet, 60 gigabit of Ethernet. Okay.
Mm.
So the one drastic change is fiber optic cable is comes under Ethernet technology. Just give me a minute. So fiber optic cable comes in in Ethernet technology, which gives us a huge speed like 40 GB per second. Plus, it provides the long distance also.
Okay.
So, so it means Ethernet technology is fast, as well as it gives us a long distance coverage. So why should we use serial technology, which is slow, right?
Yeah.
So that is why in current situation, no one is using serial technology. Very less people are using it. So everyone is using Ethernet technology. Okay. This is the symbol of serial technology. It will be linked like this. Serial technology. All right.
Hmm.
And Ethernet technology like this. Only the single line. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. What's with the single line and double line? There should be only.
No, no. Single line it is an indication of Ethernet technology. That's it, and nothing else.
Okay.
Let's say you want to show me that two offices are connected on serial link. So like this is how you are going to show me, like this. So this is a symbol of serial technology. Now if you want to show me that my two offices are connected with the Ethernet, so like this is how you can show me, like this.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the symbol of Ethernet technology, and this is the symbol of serial technology. Everyone is using this now because it is fast, plus it gives us a long distance also. All right. So can I change the slide?
Yeah.
All right. So till here you are understanding everything.
Yeah. All good, man.
All right. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. All right. So in Ethernet technology, in our syllabus, we have to learn about the two types of wire, which is called the twisted pair and fiber optic cable.
Mm.
Okay. So these two types of wire, the CCNA exam wants us to learn. So twisted pair cable there is giving is supporting. Always understand that wire does not give you a speed. Wire only support the speed. Okay. So
Yeah.
the twisted pair cable is support speed up to 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps. Maximum it can support 1000 MB per second. Okay. And it gives us the coverage of 100 meters, and we can use it on hub, switch, and router. We can use it on all the three devices. All right.
Yeah.
Now, when it comes to fiber optic cable gives us a 40 Gbps of speed, and 40 Gbps of speed, and it is only used on switch and router. Okay.
Okay.
So let understand in a very deep manner how it works and all. So let's see here.